If you're wondering how you can check the RAM and the storage of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Device Care. And under the Device Care settings, you will be able to check the RAM and the storage of your tablet. First of all, let's check the storage. Under the Device Care settings, just tap on Storage. And over here, you can check the total storage of your tablet. And over here, you can also check how much you have used out of the total storage. And over here, you can check what type of data is using the most storage. Now, as you can see, this is how you can check the storage on your tablet. Now, to check the RAM, just go back. And under the device care settings, just tap on memory. Now, from here, you can check the memory or the RAM of your tablet. As you can see from here, you can check the total RAM of your tablet. And over here, you can check how much you have used out of the total RAM and how much is available. And to clean the RAM, just tap on Clean Now. And this is how you can check the RAM and the storage of the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.